Today I'm doing a demo of the Inspired Questions app that's coming out on the App Store on November 18th. This is a communication game, and let me walk you through it real quick. On the bottom left, if you tap the I, that's some instructions, basic instructions for the game. This is a listening and a communication game. It's meant for self-expression within a family setting. It's also being used by financial advisors that facilitate family meetings or are just preparing for a meeting and need some good questions. We'll go back. On the bottom right, you can click the question mark, and that is talking about how the game is being used. Again, family gatherings, peer groups, some are even using it as a daily journaling tool for self-reflection, and then there's some information about the creators. So let's jump right into the game. Just tap play. That'll take us to the first question. These questions, by nature, you can't be wrong or right. They're meant for just expressing your opinion. Like with this one, imagine if you asked this question in your family, how you'd get different responses. If you could take one personality trait from a family member and make it your own, what would it be and why? I really like that question, so I already have it bookmarked. If you wanted to take the bookmark off, you can do that. But and you just scroll through, basically going from right to left, and you can see the different questions there. So right now I'm in bookmark mode. If I want to get out of bookmark mode, you can just tap that, go back, and it will take you out of bookmark mode. Bookmark mode works really well, again, if you're preparing for a specific event or you want to be able to direct the conversation. You can pre-select the questions and basically create your own custom deck. Shuffle mode, basically that is if you just don't want to go 1 through 100, it just randomizes them. Another feature is the record button, and that's on the bottom left here. So this will allow you to do a self-capture. Again, some people are doing some daily reflections, and so you would just tap the record button here and then tap it again to stop. And if you wanted to do a capture of someone else, like in an interview setting or with a family member, you just change the camera with that button right there. So we'll get out of that. Another feature, not everyone likes to be videoed, and so you could turn on record audio only, and I'll take you back. Go to record again, and you'll notice there's no screen. That will just record voice, which is another nice feature. Some people are embarrassed to read questions out loud, and so for that reason they have this button over here on the right, which will automatically read the question that you're on if you tap it. Another feature that I really like is the social sharing function. You can see that on the bottom. This particular one is for messaging. This one is to send an email, and we'll tap on the email one. It preloads an email that basically talks about that specific question. You can then add or take away from that, but it makes it really easy to share. The other sharing features, social sharing features, are Facebook posts and tweets on Twitter. So those are the basic features of Inspired Questions. We'll go ahead and quit the game. I want to show you the browse feature really quick. In this, you can quickly see what questions you have bookmarked. You can also see that on number 4 that there is a video recorded. So we'll go ahead and, if we want to review that again, you would just tap that and you can watch it, or if it's audio, you can listen to it. If you want to share that video with the world, you just tap this right here on the right, save it to your gallery, your photo gallery, and you can share it from there. So that is Inspired Questions. Hope you enjoy it, and any feedback would be great. Thanks.